Is AI really going to take over your job as a coder? This is a question that so many people have been asking recently concerning the massive wave of AI and how AI have been taking over so many industries. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I was able to replicate a real life WhatsApp chat using AI, and it took me less than 60 seconds to achieve this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jacob. In this channel, I teach you how to master smart tech tools and how to also use AI to solve your daily problems. So with no further ado, let's get right into the video. In order to achieve this, we are going to be needing ChatGPT. Head over to your ChatGPT and give it this simple prompt. Describe WhatsApp in an MVP terms. What MVP terms means is that ChatGPT is going to describe WhatsApp to its core functionalities. So once you are done, click on enter and allow it to generate. So guys, the next AI tool I'm going to be using is called Lovable.dev. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Just go create a free account and you're good to go. So the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and copy what ChatGPT gave us about WhatsApp. Then go to Lovable and paste it. So once you have pasted it, click on enter, sit back and allow it to generate for you. Wow, so guys, in less than a minute, Lovable have been able to generate me a code that looks exactly like WhatsApp, and it is functioning guys. Let's test it out. Welcome to Chat app. Enter your phone number to get started. So I'm going to enter my phone number, and also make sure you enter your country code so that it will be able to send you a code. So guys, you see, this is the code I'm going to need to use to log in. So I'm going to enter 123456 and click on verify. Wow guys, so guys, this is a real chat that was generated by AI, just like WhatsApp. So in this place I can chat just like a normal WhatsApp here, and you see it has sent and it has also double ticked. So this brings me back to my main question: is AI really going to take over job from coders? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and AI videos like this. Click the bell icon so that you can get notification when I drop the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.